Hello, my name is Anna. Today I am here with my grandpa, Mr. Rajendra Prasad Singla. These days, COVID-19 is spreading in almost all the countries across the world and infecting the people irrespective of their color, caste, and creed. In our ancient region books, it, it has been stressed again and again, what you will sow, so shall you will reap. Why it is so?
Good morning, everybody. This is a good question put by Anya, my lovely granddaughter. The simple answer to this question is you go in the ancient books, everywhere it is written, what you sow, so shall you reap. But we fail to appreciate the fact that what infection we are getting today is all due to our own negligence. Everybody is not getting infected by COVID-19. It is only those fellows who are ignoring the guidelines issued by the doctors, ICMR, WHO. They are saying keep mask on when you are out from your house. Always maintain social distance. When you are approaching somebody, take care. You should have proper gap between others and you. Wherever avoidable, avoid getting too near to other fellows. And most importantly, you should consider every other body is infected and you have to save yourself. What we people do is we just ignore that nothing will happen to me. No, nothing will happen to me. You will see so many people, either they will be having the mask only for the sake of it, or some of them will be having the mask over their mouth only, their nose will be out, and some people will be just covering their chunri, you can say, on their mouth, like a veil. It is not a veil, it is a mask. It should have triple layer protection. Whatever virus is there in the air should not come in your nose, mouth or throat. You have to avoid it. Secondly, the guidelines are you should not come out of your house unnecessarily. You should buy your groceries at least for a week, so that for the full week do not have to come to the market. But what we people are doing today is going for fresh vegetables, fresh fruits, fresh milk. No, you have to avoid it. Similarly, to boost your immunity, you should do pranayam. People are not doing it. Just laying in the beds lazily, watching the movies, not doing any physical exercise. You should do pranayam, you should do yogas, you should do aerobics. Of course, walking is not prescribed. You should avoid walking outside. But these exercises you can do in your room, on your roof, in your garden if there is any, your personal garden. So these are the things you have to do. And when you follow these guidelines strictly, I don't think any infection can come to you. At least COVID-19 is not going to infect you. And now, what is written in your ancient books is, if you go with Ramayana, there is written, Karam Pradhan Vishwa Kari Rakha, Jo Jas Kare So Tas Phalu Chakha. Means कि जैसा आप कर रहे हो वैसा आप भरोगे. अगर आप नेग्लिजेंस कर रहे हो तो नेग्लिजेंस का आप इन्फेक्टेड हो जाओगे. सभी इन्फेक्टेड नहीं होते. आप देखिए किसी घर में 5 आदमी हैं तो एक घर में इन्फेक्टेड हो गए हैं 5 आदमी, वो एक अलग बात है. पर अगर एक कॉलोनी में 100 घर हैं तो 100 के 100 घर इन्फेक्टेड नहीं हो रहे हैं. कोई एक दो इन्फेक्टेड हो रहे हैं, बाकी बच रहे हैं। उसका कारण सिर्फ यही है कि वो अपने आप को बचा रहे हैं। तो आपको भी अपने आप को बचाना है और उसके लिए ही आपने प्रिकॉशन जो बताई गई हैं उसको फॉलो करना है। अपने ग्रंथों में क्लियर लिखा गया है, कोहू ना कोहू सुख दुख कर दाता, निज कृत कर्म भोग फलु भ्राता। अपने अपने कर्मों का फल आप भोग रहे हैं। अगर आप लापरवाही कर रहे हैं तो आपको इन्फेक्शन हो रही है और आप फिर दूसरों को भी दे रहे हैं घर में सबको, बिकॉज ऑफ ओनली ऑफ यू, because of the negligence of one people, all the other people in the family are going to suffer. So you can avoid it and you should avoid it. That is the message. That's all. Thank you. Bye.